Hello everyone, my name is Suyash Norbert and I'm from the island of Mauritius.
My name is Odayo Ahmed and I'm from Nigeria.
Hi, my name is Kimutai. I'm from Kenya and I'm 16 years old.
My name is Linda and I'm from Kenya.
My name is Ismail Abba and I'm from Dakar, Senegal.
The Global Scholars Program is a program designed by the African Leadership Academy based on the Entrepreneurial Leadership Program. It is tailored for youth around the age of 13 to 19 usually, and they get to experience either a 10-day or an 18-day camp based on Explore and Engage. They get to interact with the EL curriculum of the ALA program, get to learn more about themselves, discover leaderships, the types of leaderships, and they get to go on adventures and trips that the Global Scholars Program provides for them.
My name is Tandy. I'm from Kenya, and so far my experience has been really informative and it's been really nice settling in and getting to know different people.
My experience at GSP has been good. I've met new friends, had good experiences and visited new places. But most importantly, I've learned how to be a leader.
GSP was surprising for me at first because I didn't know that it was that intense. I thought we're just going to come, hang out, learn a few things, but I love the intensity and I love what we're learning.
So I see GSP as a very intentional transformative process where we apply a design thinking model called BUILD to enable a person's growth, to enable a person's own way of seeing things, right? We provide them with tools that give them perspective, seeing things or seeing ideas or seeing the world around them through different lenses.
GSP has been an amazing experience so far. I've learned a lot of things, met a lot of new people, and I've learned how to comport myself more.
Well, my experience in GSP has been the best so far. I've met new people, I had eye-opening experiences, I also had educational tours. So to everyone who hasn't been here, I'd like to say that you've missed a lot.
The thing I'm going to miss the most is the off-campus activities, such as going to the Apartheid Museum and the Lion Park. They were really exciting and interesting.
I liked how the educators were. They're so free with us and they're just so calm and they made us feel at home.
The facilities were really great. And for me, honestly, it was the community and the friends that I made that really made me the most happy and the most satisfied.
The best thing was over 40 students in the camp. There are more than 20 nationalities, which is really amazing.
There are also excursions that I went to, such as the Accra branch, the Gulf City, and in all of them I learned that when you believe in yourself, you can do a lot of things.
My name is Prudence Arendt and I'm from South Africa and I head the short programs division at the African Leadership Academy. What's really great about the program as well is that it is so diverse in terms of the learning experience that it offers, and it also brings together children from different backgrounds, so it allows for you to leave the program having learned something from a different country, from a different person, really an exchange, a cultural exchange that takes place.